Lesson 4. Grammar 4.4. Possessor and possessed. Possession involves two parts, the possessor and the possessed. The most common way of expressing the possessive relation is to place the possessor and the possessed side by side.
마이클 책,
Michael's book,
우리 아버지, 우리 어머니,
my father, my mother.
학생 이름,
The student's name
의,
is usually pronounced
에,
when used as a possessive particle comparable to the English preposition of. It is usually dropped in conversations.
마이클의 책,
Michael's book,
어머니의 가방,
mother's bag,
룸메이트의 방,
a roommate's room,
의,
can be dropped in conversations, but it is used in limited contexts, mostly when both the possessor and the possessed refer to abstract concepts.
미국의 대통령,
The President of the United States of America,
영국의 수도,
the capital of the United Kingdom,
오늘의 뉴스,
the news of the day. The possessive pronouns
네,
and
제,
are formed by combining the regular pronouns
나,
and
저,
with the particle
의. 누구 개예요? 제 개예요.
when the possessed object is obvious from the preceding context,
것,
can substitute for it.
이거 누구 책이에요?
Whose book is this?
스티브 책이에요.
It's Steve's book.
스티브 거예요.
It's Steve's.
누구 거예요? 마크 거예요. 누구 거예요? 제 거예요.
When
거,
is combined with possessive pronouns, it creates the equivalent of English, mine, and ours.
내, 내 거, 제 거, 우리 거, 저희 거.
For the equivalent of English, yours, his, and hers, the person's name is used instead of the pronouns.
이거 스티브 씨 우산이에요?
Is this your umbrella, Steve?
네, 제 거예요.
Yes, it's mine.
이거 스티브 책이에요?
Is this Steve's book?
네, 스티브 거예요.
Yes, it's Steve's. Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blank.